You asked, how to divide 288,000 by 121 using the long division method. 2 is too small. 28 is too small. Use 288. 288 divided by 121 equals 2. 2 times 121 equals 242. 288 minus 242 equals 46. Bring down 0, making 460. 460 divided by 121 equals 3. 3 times 121 equals 363. 460 minus 363 equals 97. Bring down 0, making 970. 970 divided by 121 equals 8. 8 times 121 equals 968. 970 minus 968 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 121 equals 0. 0 times 121 equals 0. 20 minus 0 equals 20. The remainder is 20. The final result is 2380 remainder 20.